What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have way too many tabs open. Alright, so today we have some good deals for y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. First up, over at Acme Tools, we have this Makita deal. We have this Makita impact driver, and it does have modes. It's not just a little on-off one. This does have modes, auto mode, all of that. $120, and it comes with a free 5 amp hour battery. It talks about saving $10. But let's add this to the cart, because usually when it says that, it means, oh, it was really $130 and you don't see the $10. So I just feel like they should shut up. That doesn't, good and well, I was expecting to see $10 off the 120, and that's not what happened. But yes, this ends up being $126.49 because it's less than $199, and only $199 orders get free shipping. Now, something else is catching my eye, but let me focus. Now, we have Rakuten over at Acme Tools, so you get 2% cash back in addition to $30 cash back if you're new. Use the link to sign up in the description to get that $30. But if not, you have your 2% cash back. Moving on, also at Acme Tools, the Flex deals are back. The Flex deals are back-ish anyway. You have that 2-speed hammer drill with turbo mode kit for $119, not $99, but $119. You have the angle grinder for $119. I still have all the millions that they sent me, and I'm still waiting on them to say something about the hammer drill. I think they feel like, oh nah, send this back first, and then we'll send you this. I feel like that's a lot of effort on my end. I'll send this back. Just charge me if I don't. But I'm going to need my drills, and they ain't sent them. So anyway, this deal puts my deal on Tool Deals to shame, because I'm selling these for $189. I don't even know how they're selling them. These things weigh like 15 pounds, and the shipping itself is insane. So anyway, $119, that's still a good deal. It's not $199 again, but that $119 is still a great deal. So you can grab this and maybe that Makita or both of these, and you get your free shipping. Moving on, this sign is going to be at your local Orscheln. I don't know how to say the name of that now defunct store, but if you live in the Midwest, this is what they got going. Now, we talked about this earlier in the year, that they were all going to be turned into Tractor Supplies or just shut down completely. And they have a lot of stuff up to 90% off. My store, even though I knew this was coming, I still managed to miss the deals. But let me show you what I did get. I got a ton of screws. All of this here was $11.04. Everything you see on this table, $11.04. And I actually used 2 packs already. So yeah, $11.04 for all of that. So yeah, these are all 90% off. So go ahead, if you're near an Orscheln, take advantage of those deals. Just go up there and see what they got going on. The really cool stuff is marked down, but not like anything crazy. Moving on, Olight is having a deal on 2 different items, the arc failed flashlight and what they're calling the Nightclaw. I prefer to call it the Talon. But talking about the arc fail, I mentioned in the previous sale, in the previous video I talked about this, that I've never used this before, but I finally got my hands on one, and I do like it. They're not cylindrical in shape. They're flat, so it's easier to stow away in your pocket. You don't feel the bulge while it's in your pocket. They have a green laser, which has a far throw, and it's very easy to see. And it's also a 1,000 lumen flashlight. It has a toggle switch. This is a little handle here and here to toggle back and forth between the laser and the flashlight. And of course, it has different settings for the flashlight. You just hold the button down. It'll go from low, medium, semi-medium, and then to high. And that's pretty much it. It has a magnetic charger. Pretty straightforward flashlight. Doesn't have any of the features that like the Perrin 2 has or the Baton 3 Pro Max. But it is a very handy flashlight for $89.99 though. But this will be 30% off. You use code TD10 to get an additional 10% off. And of course you have your Rakuten that'll give you 4% cash back. And if you're new, use the link to sign up and get your bonus $30 right there. So that will be a sweet, sweet deal on the Arc Fail, and it will come with an extra gift for an extra $1. And when you purchase the Arc Fail for an extra $1, you'll get one of these opticals. Now, I don't know which optical it'll come with. It could be this one, any of these, or it could be this one right here. I do have this black utility tool, and if it comes with this, let me tell you, that'd be a nice little combination. I know this is cheaper than these, but this does quite a few things, and it's really small and compact and can go in your keychain, but made of high quality material, and everything works well. So that'd be a nice little bundle there. I also forgot to mention that these come with two different colors. They'll come with the white light, and then it'll come with the natural yellowish light that the Milwaukee's use. So, you know, you'll be able to choose that when you're checking out. I'm trying to find that for you. Yeah. See, the cool white and then the natural light, it has different colors, so you can choose that. Moving on, we have also the Night Claw. This, to me, should be called the Talon. It has a curved blade, which works really, really well for slicing through things. And this thing is super small. Like, this part is slightly bigger than mine. Well, it's more than bigger than my thumb. I'm going to demonstrate briefly how this thing works. All right, so you saw that. You can't really see the construction. Hopefully you can kind of gauge if you have any Olight flashlights or just items in your possession now. You'll know that the fit and finish is perfect. So anyway, there's the, I was about to call it the Talon again. The Night Claw. This will be 23% off. And again, use code TD10 for an additional 10% off, which will bring you 33% off. Then you use your Rakuten. That'll be 37% off of this right here. So again, a very, very good deal. Moving on. We got some good deals over at Home Depot. Now, I'm just reminding you of these. This is a super savings. And for whatever odd reason, we look at special buy of the day. This is not on there, but you know it is what it is. Again, with the polisher, with the high output 6 amp hour battery, $299. The polisher alone is normally more than $299, so you're getting a good deal there. Moving on, we have this deep cut bandsaw. Again, this is we've seen this cheaper. I believe the last time we saw it was like $299, but if you needed a bandsaw, this is still not a bad deal because the bandsaw itself is normally $399. So you're saving $20 and you're getting a free battery. Moving on, we have this 4-in-1 drill driver kit with this ratchet for $199. I think we saw this for $179, but that's super duper cheap. But yeah, I think we saw this for $179 a little while ago. And again, I don't know what's up with the savings. It's not a special buy, but this ends today apparently. Moving on, again, we have this Makita drill. Very similar to its impact driver deal from Acme Tools, but the difference is here it comes with a charger. This battery is a 3 amp hour battery though. We've seen this deal before as well, but it was still $99 itself. Not a bad drill, not a bad set right here. $99. And moving on, finally, we have a very unique deal here with Ryobi. You get 2 4 amp hour high output batteries and a 2 amp hour high output battery, an impact wrench, a mid torque, a dual charger, and you get to choose from another free battery for $299. Now, if you come along here, the most expensive thing is another 2-pack of batteries. If you didn't like any of these other tools, which I mean, I don't mind so much this right angle drill, but it's $99, and I think we could find this on a better, potentially hackable deal. So I personally would go batteries, and then when you do that, this 3-pack of batteries with this impact driver and this charger becomes $179, which that ain't half bad. That ain't half bad at all. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time.